Yo, hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, guys, I will be showing you how to delete your Mailchimp accounts definitely. So, once you are done with using Mailchimp and trying to save your information from getting leaked, because we all know that the best of the best platforms will have one day our information leaked, especially the ones that we are not using. It's better for us to remove our account from the database so we don't get our information leaked anymore and we don't worry about that in the future. So once you are done with using the Mailchimp account, normally if you didn't use your account for a long time and it has not getting paid, then the account will be automatically blocked and locked and maybe even deleted. But if you want it to be instantly done, then you might go here to your account, and as you can see here we have account billing. We're not going to care about that much. Go here to settings, and from settings I'm going to choose manage my plan. Now, if you didn't have any plan, then make sure to turn it off and make it to turn it into the free version. Once you're done, then you are simply going to go right here in this field and click on delete my account. As you can see, are you sure you want to permanently delete your account and all of your data? You will lose access to your account immediately, and all of your data will be deleted, including 9 campaigns, 1 contact, and 1 custom template. In this case, in case you would like to save them for future, like you would come back later on to the platform, or maybe you are moving on to another platform, you better export your data and save it on your PC until you decide later. But for the moment, click on continue to delete, and then you will proceed with the procedure. You're simply going to answer a couple of questions, and right after that, you are going to confirm that you want to delete your account. I'm not going to do that since this account is made for tutorials and we don't want that to be deleted. Thank you guys a lot for watching, and see you guys in the next video.